Hi there, welcome to English 111 Online. I'm Associate Professor Tim Parrish, the instructor for your course. I also serve as the chair of the Department of English and Language Studies here at RCC, coming to you today from my office here in the Humanities Building, which you may hear some construction noise in the background. You know, they're undertaking a big renovation here, so we're certainly hoping to move back in here in the middle of next fall. I certainly hope that you're excited about taking this course this summer and that you've cleared your schedule somewhat. It's really important to remember that we set a really relentless pace in these summer courses. In 8 weeks, we try to cover all the material we cover in a 16-week course during the semester. So that means that each week you'll be covering the reading and writing assignments we would normally space out over 2 weeks. That makes it, of course, very important that you keep up and that you complete all the assignments. Remember that the lower stakes assignments feed into the larger assignments, and that's the way the course is set up. Those lower stakes assignments are also the point at which I get to intervene and help you develop those bigger high stakes assignments that make up the bulk of your grade. It's also important, I think, that you watch and often go back and re-watch the instructional videos that are also a part of the course. Whether it's that lesson I do on signal phrases that you'll watch early in the semester will be important throughout the semester. So keep track of the parts that seem helpful, and remember that as you return to them over the course of the semester, they'll actually be more useful to you as we get into the bigger assignments down the road. So what I want to do now is to begin by giving you a brief tour of the Moodle course and how it's set up and some of the resources we have available to help you. So here I'll give a quick overview of the first couple of sections of the Moodle course and then how the typical weeks are laid out. So you've gotten to the course introduction section. You've probably already looked at the syllabus and completed the syllabus acknowledgement statement. If not, that'll be the next thing on your agenda. There's a PowerPoint here which gives some information, sort of an introduction to the online version of our course, along with some strategies, some clarifications of expectations, roles, and responsibilities, and then some information about netiquette or discourse etiquette, strategies, common problems students run into in online classes. I break out a little discussion here of the technological requirements and some other resources related to that, as well as other adjusting to the online environment. Take a few minutes and scroll through this, see if you and make note of what will be helpful to you in the future. Also in this first module is my contact information. There's a link to my Zoom account, so I'll monitor Zoom during these office hours or by appointment. So if there's any time during the course you want to speak to me, whether it's business hours or in the evening, if we set up the appointment, we can meet via Zoom using this link. And these are the hours in which I'm available to work with you. These are student hours. The next section in Moodle is a section on tutoring services. This includes explanations and links to online tutoring that will be available to you in the summer. This includes NetTutor, which is a free 24/7 online tutoring service, as well as Pisces, where you can connect, especially in the evenings, with RCC peer tutors. And that the Pisces, those sessions can be live if that's helpful to you. The next section is a section on resources for the course. I may add other things to this as we go along, and I'll contact you by email and let you know if I've added something I think will be helpful for you in the future. They say iBlog is a website that has a lot of interesting articles. It may be a source to find source material for papers you write. This is a website curated by the editors of They Say, I Say, so certainly the works that get included there have been vetted, and so you know they'd be reliable and useful sources. There are a number of MLA materials, so some citations tools. I include 3 of those. There's also a guide to MLA style. This is a PDF version of the section that's in your textbook, the Little Seagull. And one item that you might find very useful is this MLA style template. So this is a template that's already laid out in MLA style. You would simply come in and add your name and the date of the assignment, place your title here, even indicates how to capitalize. The body text will go here. So if you save this document, go in here and change the last name, where it says last name, to your last name. Place your name here. And the formatting as far as the font, typeface, double space, all of that is correct. There's about 2 pages of that are set up, and there's even a sort of dummy works cited page at the end where you can add your citations. So you may find this will save you a lot of times in setting up the manuscripts for your papers. So, and here are the citation things. There's a video on how to set up your paper in MLA style. And there's also an instructional video for using Turnitin, the online submission platform that we use for papers. Let me close here by saying a few things about the way the weekly modules are set up. I've included 2 modules for each week. So the week will begin with a week 1 overview and forum assignment. These are due on Thursdays. There's a writing assignment for each week, and that's due on the following Tuesday. So you'll have a Thursday deadline and then a Tuesday deadline the following Tuesday for each week. And we'll follow that format until the last week. Last week will be your revision of the research-based position paper. So that unit is a little different. You wanted the forum assignment that week. But that'll be the typical week, so be sure that you check in. Probably Wednesday morning would be the best time, or before that, if you finished up the previous one, to sort of take stock of what's due in the coming week. You will want to plan to post to that forum on Thursday night, and then work throughout the rest of the weekend and into the early part of the next week to finish the writing assignment for that week. So that's the way the course is laid out. Good luck. Please let me know what I can do to help you be successful in the course. And I certainly look forward to working with you and seeing what you and your classmates create in this course. Thanks so much.